Hello everyone, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use, what am I even talking about? Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on the basics of using expressions in Adobe After Effects. Expressions are a powerful tool in After Effects that allows you to automate and manipulate properties of your layers. These are essentially small pieces of code that you can use to create complex animations with minimal effort. In this tutorial, we will cover three basic expressions: wiggle, bounce, and loop. So let's get started. The first expression we will cover is the wiggle expression. This expression is used to create a random movement effect on your layers. To use it, simply alt-click on the property you want to apply the expression to and type in wiggle, followed by the number of times per second you want the movement to occur and the amount of movement you want to apply. For example, if you want to apply a wiggle expression to the position property of a layer with a frequency of 2 times per second and a movement of 50 pixels, you would type in wiggle parentheses 2, 50 close parentheses. As you can see, the wiggle expression creates a dynamic movement effect, which makes the animation more interesting and engaging. I like to use this property when I'm animating a character floating in water or outer space. So the second expression we're going to talk about is the bounce expression. Now, the bounce expression looks very complicated, but don't get freaked out. All you have to do is copy and paste this expression. Here we have a circle that we want to animate. We will apply the bounce effect expression to the position property and give it a bouncing effect. As you can see, the bounce expression creates a realistic bouncing effect on the ball, which makes the animation more fun and engaging. The third expression we will cover is the loop expression. This expression is used to loop a layer's animation properties. To use it, simply alt-click on the property you want to apply the expression to. After Effects actually has some built-in expressions in the layer properties. So if you already have keyframes applied, let's say, for example, to the position property, if you alt-click on the stopwatch and look at the arrow next to expression properties, if you click on the arrow, you can see there are a lot of expressions already built in. I usually go to property, and you'll see there are other loop expressions already built in. So there are loop out durations, where it will loop out those keyframes that you've already created for the duration of the composition. There's also loop in, where it will loop the animation until it reaches the point of the keyframes. So if we select loop out duration, we can see that even past just the first set of keyframes, the animation continues to play. And that's it for this basic tutorial on how to use expressions in Adobe After Effects. We covered 3 basic expressions and looked at some pre-built expressions in After Effects. I hope you found this helpful, and if you'd like to learn more, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.